Hi, my name is Travis Huggins. This is for Anatomy and Physiology 2, the lab for Module 4, which means we are halfway through this, and I have not cried once, which is awesome. So, right now we're going to do just the structures of the respiratory system, 6 different ones. I'm going to start off, and I can't point to it with the search button because who knows why, but we're going to start off with the nose. Which it starts up here between the eyebrows with the root, and then as it goes down between the eyes, that's called the bridge, and then the dorsum nasi, which is like right through here, and then the point is called the apex. The two nostrils, I don't know why we needed another name for them, but those are the anterior nares. The nose itself is made up of paired nasal bones and the lateral and alar cartilages. After that, again, can't get it to actually show the exact thing here, but posterior to the nose is the nasal cavity, which is through here. It's pretty big, actually, bigger than I expected. It is divided into the left and right sides by what's called the nasal septum. The anterior part of the nasal cavity is called the vestibule, which is filled with hair to prevent, spiders from crawling up your nose, hopefully. It has 3 narrow passages called the superior, middle, and inferior nasal meatises. Not meatises, which is what I thought it was at first, but meatises. They are filled with nasal conchae. Between the nasal conchae are the actual sinuses, which I have been supremely aware of this whole entire season because they keep getting filled up and inflamed. All right, next we have one that will pop up. It is the pharynx, which is right in here. The pharynx, also known as the throat, is lined with pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, say that 5 times fast, and it is broken down into, from the top moving down, the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. Okay. After that, we have the larynx. Right here. It's anterior to the esophagus, so it's behind the esophagus, or in front of the esophagus, sorry. It's rather short. It houses the vocal cords. The larynx itself is lined with stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. It has 9 pieces of cartilage that kind of give it its shape. Next down, we have the trachea. Much longer. Trachea, also known as the windpipe, is held open by C-shaped rings of cartilage, which widen during breathing, which is helpful. And the final ring down here is the carina. Last but not least, we have the fan favorite, the lungs. Wow, bam! These big old babies right here. The lungs are pyramid-shaped. They're paired organs, obviously, 1, 2. They're connected to the trachea by the right and left bronchi, so those are other organs we're not going to get into. They are bordered by the diaphragm down here. And that is the 6 structures for this video. Thank you.